Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Holt Bladeworks Specter here with me, version 2, for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. Overall length is going to be around 8 and a little bit inches, with a 3.6 inch long blade and 4.5 inch long handle. This is really cool, guys. This is the version 2 with the beautiful starburst pattern over here, titanium handle, gray anodized frame lock right over here, adjustable detent. Really cool. The blade is also has like a very fine stonewash kind of finish. M390 steel, really unique double click sound, really cool action, very interesting indeed. 3D milled pocket clip. It's not deep carry, it's not reversible, but it's really nicely done. The grip, I mean, it's pretty spot on, zero hot spots, maybe just a tiny bit over here, but nothing too crazy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.